Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the ROG Ally not detecting external monitor, USB-C dock, HDMI and display setting. The fix one, you can restart ROG Ally and monitor. So firstly you can turn off the ROG Ally and external monitor. Then unplug the USB-C dock or HDMI cable for 1 minute. Then reconnect everything and turn device on. Fix 2. Check USB-C dock or hub. Make sure the dock supports video output. Then reconnect the dock firmly to the ROG Ally and then try another USB-C dock if possible. The fix 3, you can reconnect HDMI cable. Remove the HDMI cable from the both devices. Then plug it back in tightly and try a different HDMI cable or port. The fix 4, you can select correct monitor input. So open the monitor, the input source menu. Then select the correct HDMI or display port input and check if the display appear. Now the final fix, detect display in Windows. Right click on desktop or display setting. Then scroll down and click detect. Then select extended or duplicate display mode. Goodbye.